Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor in KW Heritage. Happy to be coming back out and providing a whole brand new set of sessions to you. And this is going to be happening on July 2nd. And the best part is all of these sessions are CE certified. So you're going to earn 6 hours of CE credit for the day. We're going to kick it off with get on the first page of Google in days. This is all of the ins and outs of how to use Google MyMaps to get to the first page. If you're not familiar with that, you're going to know exactly how to implement this amazing tool by the end of this session. We're then going to roll right into ChatGPT for real estate. I'm going to show you some really amazing things with not only ChatGPT, but AI in general. Then we're going to go and take our lunch break, come back, we're going to do video marketing for real estate. All the ins and outs that you need to do from a video point of view to have success as a real estate agent. And then we're going to finish the day with riches in the niches. All of this is designed to help build and grow your business quickly and effectively. So I look forward to seeing you guys on July 2nd for the 6 hours of CE credit. See you soon. Thanks.